Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome, and feel free to subscribe. It's a fine morning over here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific, Hispania town. I'm shooting this video from Hispania town, which is called Sirari, and Sirari, it's one of the bordering town that's bordering Tanzania and Kenya. So this day today, I'm really shooting this video from one of the places over here in a garage, and I came to just do a kaya hire, but unfortunately I found Brother Dagi. A big shout out to you, a big shout out to Brother Dagi, guys. If you don't know Brother Dagi, kindly go subscribe to his YouTube channel and show some love there, because yeah, the reason why I'm hiring a car is like grandma, she felt sick, and she has been so sick, and recently her left leg has been feeling numb. I think maybe it's some mini strokes. So I was like, not to stay with her in the house, but just take her to the hospital. So I just came here, and we're doing some car repair, because the front what you call like the front tire had what you call like a slow puncture. So yeah, so please subscribe, show some love, like and share, and also pray for Bibi. Pray for Bibi, guys. She's really not, sometimes, you know, it's fluctuating. Today she's okay, tomorrow she's feeling very weak, the other day she's okay. So it's that way, but today I felt like it's too much now. I have to take her to the hospital for checkup. So I want to take her to the hospital today, want to go see her checkup, and please show some love, and let's see what's happening. So a big shout out to Brother Dagi. He actually said you can take my car so that you can go take Bibi to the hospital. Yeah, so let me do some changing the tire, the front tire, and then I want to head home, pick Bibi. This morning we're just like moving up and down with True Boy. Also we go pick True Boy, from there we come and pick Bibi, then from there we want to be heading where we call like to the hospital, and we want to see what's her problem, you know. Yeah, so keep on subscribing, show some love. And also guys, you know, recently, you know, sometimes when I just try to just shoot a video, sometimes I feel like I'm complaining, and I'm not this guy of complaining too much, but sometimes I feel overwhelmed, I feel exhausted sometimes, but I have no any other option, because sometimes you may be asking, where's your mother, where's your father, where's your brother, and I'm the only person around here. My mom, my dad, they don't have a permanent job that actually can make, you know, sometimes like that, because they are having their own stuffs, you know. Sometimes in an African home, you understand, for those who have been to African homes, I know you know what I mean. So, and for now all eyes are on me, and also a big shout out to my brother, also a big shout out to my brother Nick, because when I reached out to him, he told me like, okay, I want to support you with something small so that you can just take Bibi for a checkup. Yeah, so I'll be heading there, and we'll be seeing how she's faring on. And also, I know you love Bibi, guys. I know you love Bibi, and I know you're going to love to see something bad happening to Bibi, and you are watching this. So please, let's just take her back, because I feared the first time when we went there, and the hospital bills were too much. Until I was like, where will I live? But I thank God for the well wishers who reached out, and also they supported us. Be blessed all. Yeah, I really appreciate that. So I'll be checking Bibi. So from here I'll be heading back to the village. I'll be heading back. Ooh. That's what we call like town noises, town massacres. Yeah, I'll be taking back Bibi to the hospital, and I'll be seeing how it should be. Alright, so see you at home, guys, and I know you love to see Bibi being back to her normal energy. All right, so now it's done now, and it's time to go, time to go. And when we say time to go, first thing, seat belt should be there. Okay. I could have taken grandma with my motorbike, but now her leg is the problem, guys. So I couldn't make it with her leg. So let me just check. Wait.
Kyo konte birahana pa.
Tigang hiki kasa hire go hospital. Hi. So I'm engaging some a reverse gear because grandma. Hi. Okay, I am Rasant. Alright guys, so let's drive and check. Alright, so let's go and check grandma. Alright guys, bye. So guys, we just arrived home and yeah, so we wanna pick grandma. She's over there. I think her left leg has been having a problem. Vivi, how you doing, ma? Hey, heri ambe. Namfikile nkaso. Hey. Hey. Ekyo kugende. Gutumba. My grandma allowed to say too buff. The leg is too buff. Yeah, so I want to take her. I think, you know, in the moment you see this way, you'll start to develop maybe some wounds. But let me just try and want to take her there. I want to see what's happening. True boy, introduce yourself, bro.
Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching us from. You know, we are live from Africa, Kenya, at Claude Joseph's home.
Yes.
And this is Mr. Trueboy 208. We want to take our grandma to the hospital for a checkup. You know, like she's we don't know what she's suffering from. Maybe when we are going to take her to the hospital is when now we'll know where we are going to seek the solution from the hospital, guys. So please keep on supporting us, keep on showing us love. Subscribe to Claude Joseph, Claude to 30K subscribers, and also take me to 5K subscribers. Absolutely. And I'll appreciate. Absolutely. Thank you so much, bro.
Hey man, you see, having a car is a good thing, but one day the dreams.
Yeah, even yesterday I posted about my dream car. Maybe one day, one time.
Absolutely.
I wanna use it. You know?
What a work for
like
it.
last time when I was taking my mom to the hospital, I couldn't even able to record it because I was riding.
Absolutely.
And I had a tripod. So
for sure,
if I had this, I would have put my phone there.
And then you move on.
Yeah, we move on, you know. So one day we're gonna
have one just for running errands. Alright. Also mama is on a fagia, she's sweeping. So mama, she's sweeping. Good over. Sema hata hi. Yes, this is the typical village life. She's sweeping over here. Yes, in the kitchen, a traditional kitchen. And this is how we preserve firewood. You know, when it's raining season right now, we take firewood up this way. So the smoke that comes from down when they're cooking, it keeps on drying this. Yeah, it's early morning, so let me take grand. Yeah. Taimera burongi urumukungu. Taimera burongi. Ona yangi utuna wikale na ntukwimikiri.
Genda burongi.
Burongi.
Usenkongore tukutuna tuhi. Tiga bako wate hano. Bora no kongo tero ko
kongere.
Kongere. Ringirango da tiswalo tambo. No tawo. Ko teri.
The problem with the baby, sometimes she makes me crazy. You know, when she's this way. Hey. Hey. When they say that she becomes firm, like what? You know her left leg.
Just one young
Sometimes you know I'm laughing because of the comedy of this. Sometimes.
Why are you holding like this my
Angka motoran berapa? Anu agaknya oke. Iya. Saya tak kuya yo toro kokoro tamu ke kokoro ngari. Tika na morango koko. Sometimes. Ambuke de mubu. At least there's been a hectic time. Alright guys, so let's go and we wanna check what's happening. Let's rush back. I think I'm endless sometimes guys. Babe, namna gani? Oh. Let's go check guys. Oh boy. Yes. It's a very hectic.
no joke. Will be here. Yeah, so
Okay.
so you have to leave and see what next.
Okay.
Let me close the other window.
Huh?
Or is
No.
okay?
It's okay, I have to close it because
Close up. No, this one, the other,
no, it's closed.
this one, the window.
The other one. Want us to put it up? Okay. Oh. Yeah. Put them the window. We can check it. So you're leaving home. Let me check out to the hospital for just check up.
Yes.
We wanna see.
How everything goes.
Yeah. Also from here we wanna be going to pick our sister in school.
Oh,
Felicitas, yeah. We're going to pick Felicitas in school. Hey, Kyore baby. Hey.
Go boa.
Estamos makan. are in Migori town. We are approaching Migori town actually.
Yes.
So I want to take her back for a checkup, and we want to see what's wrong, because sometimes you might be assuming maybe it's just the numb of the leg, and you find that it's stroke coming out slowly by slowly. So it's better we know what's wrong first.
Yes.
Then from there we can keep on now maybe buying over-counter meds, because right now sometimes, you know, when somebody grows old, sometimes the meats become so, how do you say, so bitter. Even if you touch her hand, you'll be like, why the leg, why? So it's better we take her to the hospital, so we check what's wrong over there. So yeah, because you know, you might be assuming, and later on it developed to something bigger, and it's drizzling actually, you know.
Yeah.
It's really drizzling, so it's better we take her there. Yeah, we'll be giving you some updates about what is happening, because I know, guys, you love Granny, you know, and she has been one of our creators online, because she has been doing what you call like entertaining us mostly. So yeah, let's keep on doing. And also from there we want to be rushing to go and take our sister from school, as Felistas. She is now out of school actually, so we'll be heading there and we'll see. So keep on praying for us, alright? Okay. Okay.
Wagwan, guys. So let's go and check we will be updating you each and every step we go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Angelina. Yeah. So we are going with Bibi to see what's going on, guys.
Yeah, guys, so we just arrived here in the hospital. We are actually in the hospital. Let me take grandma. So I have to take her again back so we can check on her. Yeah, I don't know what's the problem with her hand. Yaani anashinda tu ameika tu hivi. Bibi. Juma and Viv, what's wrong with you? Yes, Angela.
So, kila sasa ndo sijui tutafanya aje.
Tutamsimamisha tu, atasimama. Bibi, unataka kusimame hapa?
Nifanyie nini?
Sasa hivi nishike bibi. Na kusimamisha tu pole pole bibi, sawa? Simama tu kidogo, simame kwa kilo. Haya. Haya, usikomae bibi, mimi niko na wewe. Wacha nishike hapo. Nishikilie. Shikilia. Akuli nitacheza. Hata bukaa rudi nyuma. Achia tu sister kidogo. Tushikilie.
Nishike kitu.
Mimi nitasumbuana hadi kesho. Rudisha tu kiti. Rudisha kiti nyuma. Acha bibi kiti, achia kiti bibi. Kanyaga juu hiki. Ndamu kanyaga juu hiki. Rudisha tu kiti nyuma. Acha kushikilia. You know she's covering where to touch everywhere. Kanyaga hapa juu. Kanyaga hapa juu tu, kanyaga peke yako pole pole. No. Na ingine. Simama tu wima. Simame tu, shikilia ukuta hapo. Shikilia tu ukuta. Usirudi nyuma. Tunakuachilia utaanguka, shikilia ukuta. Shikilia na mlango.
Emera boronge njani.
Emera boronge. Haya. Songa mbele bibi. Songa mbele tu. You know she's scrambling to touch anything. Yeah, naona sisi hatuwezi msaidia. Yeah, naona tu ukuta, anaweza msaidia kitu yoyote ashikilie.
Kanyaga hapo.
Ay. Okay. Maybe the blood pressure, right? So I don't have blood pressure, they can check. See.
Please proceed to counter B.
That's nice. Wewe unaiwekanga huku chini. Namkataza ni juu na ngani.
Naweka tu juu.
Niwekanga namkataza ni juu anasema. So you're measuring her blood pressure and sugar level. Check. Stima. Normal. Okay.
Umefanya upasuaji? Blood transfusion?
I think
No, blood transfusion.
80.
it's 148 guys over 8, which is not so much big.
Inafaa kwa 140 of which due to age pia haiko alarming sana. Kuna chakula hatumi?
Yeah, she was suggested to eat only brown things like brown bread.
Ako na diabetes?
Yeah, she's diabetic.
Any other medical condition, hypertension, epilepsy?
No epilepsy, but hypertension, ulcers no, but hypertension.
Hypertension ako nayo?
Yeah.
Shida ya pressure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby, tundura moyo.
Any drug allergy?
Unajua? No.
Complain ni gani leo?
Let's see on Dr. Terraza. Check on Chana. Should be see what's going on. Baby, maskio. Juma is saying. And also maybe we wanna check on because her left leg is numb. Sometimes she's complaining about pain starting from the kiuno. Yeah, and also maybe hiyo tu. Kuna sehemu nyingine unasikia uchungu baby? Unasikia wapi uchungu?
Yote.
Unasikia wapi uchungu? Hapo kwa kiuno hivi? Haya.
Hande horo, how bene?
Na hand. Back pain.
Bongo.
Na how hand?
Na hande huko na malaria nini? Buyo.
Malaria ndo mara.
Malaria ndo nyingi nikaa najua. Okay. Okay.
Nasikia matu uchungu.
Nasikia
matu uchungu kama nameza kunywa.
Hiyo sija record.
Okay.
Make sure mwambie daktari.
Sawa, hi. All right.
To room 11.
Room 11. Okay, let's go and see. She has been taking the tests, so I'll check. Hapo lazima tushikilie nyuma. No baby fears some needles, some injections.
Wacha kushika pombe.
Sukari ni.
Yakubi mimi sukari tu. I'm telling her she's very she's just trying to take the evidence of the sugar level. Let me wanna check.
Mbona sikia yako siba.
Let me be done with this beep.
No, kama
Yeah, so guys, I wanna check her to the lift. So we are going down for the X-ray. Then we wanna check and see what's happening down. So let's go and see what's happening to Gran. All right. So guys, we are just waiting for her tests because we have gone to the lab. She has been taking some blood samples and also urine. So we are waiting for a couple of minutes. That will be maybe 1 hour for her tests to come out. Then we wanna see how she be. True boy. True boy rides the wheelchair. Okay.
I have to ride it.
Okay. You know if sometimes you wanna be seeking for what we call like for a job because you're a doctor now. You'll be based in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be happy.
Okay. Some days, right?
Yeah.
So I'll be making a call. True boy. I'm coming. So I just rush and then you come in.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, let's wait.
Okay.
What time is the best?
Absolutely. Okay.
Let's keep on having. Let's keep having hopes.
Yes.
And at the same time, we believe
Yeah.
that tomorrow I'm the person who is going to help my community.
Absolutely.
So, and I'm sure maybe most of the people from the village, all my community, will be just coming. Maybe, for example, let's say I'm working here. So a lot of people will be like, oh, let me go to that hospital because Trubo is there.
Absolutely.
Our son is there. Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's wait for the samples. Obviously.
Trubo was right.
Absolutely, guys. So guys, we're waiting for Bibi so that she can go for X-rays. Wanna check. So they're just saying if you think you're pregnant or you may be, please inform radiographer before your X-ray is done. So you're waiting for Bibi for another X-ray of the pelvic. Yeah, I think so that we can see what's happening with her. Then we'll be proceeding back home. We have been told the sugar level is 12.1, which is a little bit higher, but they're saying it's manageable. It's not much higher compared to maybe the time it used to be about 20, 17, something like that. But now it's also the pressure is a little bit higher, but we are really managing it. That's all because we had some over-counter meds, and we keep on giving her. We'll see. All right. So Bibi and True Boy are bargaining about their leg. Bibi is telling True Boy to take off this leg to give it to True Boy, and True Boy is telling Bibi you have to exchange the legs. Okay. So you wanna take the left leg, yeah, left leg, yeah. Akupatie mguu wake wa kushoto, si ndio Bibi?
Akonele yoro sirikia vile hali.
Akupatie tena mguu mwingine.
Hiyo nitakuwa nakimbia nayo. Hiyo.
Akikupea mguu unakimbia nayo vibaya sana. So True Boy and Bibi, they are just bargaining over their leg. That whoever will give him a leg should be very fine when she gets True Boy's leg fixed to her leg. And True Boy is saying, if you give me that leg that is lame, I'll be running with it. So Bibi's like, come take it right now. Get back in. Kuna. Right side of the head. Another to be We'll be slow when you talk.
Yeah.
Yes. I think your bank, I think you have a post out. Yes. Susana. Ivo. Itachukua how much? Yeah, we were laying her for x-ray so that the pelvic, we can see the pelvic, how it's going on. So she's inside there. Let's check and see. We'll be just updating you about what is happening over here. Yeah, True Boy is just over there. Alright guys, let's go on. So we have been advised for her to go and I go buy an avocado for her so that she can eat an avocado right now. Then later on I'll do what we call like yeah, we see. We've been taught for her to eat an avocado, and then we will see. Bibi, unanyamuri eh? Pole pole. So and the True Boy is doing his own things. Hi, sawa. Okay, this is the sample of the pelvic. So shida inakuwa ni hapa hivi.
Nice.
So yeah, I've been prescribed for some medicines that she'll take, because the moment she'll be going for physiotherapy, she might break her bones because she's there. So I've been prescribed for some. Yeah, so guys, we are going back home. She has been prescribed to some meds. So we found the problem had there's an ingrown that was at the pelvic. So we have been prescribed, maybe she could be doing what we call like the physiotherapy, but now the doctor said that she can be maneuvering lid by lid so that we can yes. So guys, I wanna take the car. I'm in the car. I wanna take Grandma back home, but before that we'll be passing back to take Felistas from school. Yeah, so let's check and see what's happening around. Okay. We are from the hospital over here and we'll be heading back to the school. No, it's okay. So let's go to school to pick Felistas. Yeah, we have bought some medicine, they have them there. So let's go. We are heading to check on our sister. I think she's the one calling me, if not wrong. Somebody's calling me. Oh no, I think she's the one calling me.
Just check. What's up?
Slowly.
Now we've got big bumps ahead, you know, so you have to go very slowly.
Yeah. Always Douglas trying to call me.
Is it the one?
I think.
Let's go. Let's go and pick our sister, Claudia, you know.
Line is busy.
You know. Let's go, guys.
Alright guys, let's go pick. It's her last day in this school.
Not really. Maybe in terms of studying, but
in her school, in this area.
not in this area. She's going to come back.
Hello. Yeah, so guys, we are approaching the school.
So see from far,
Yeah.
all the students.
Yeah.
Now I think a lot of people have come to pick their children around,
Yeah.
you know. And with us here, we've come to pick our sister, you know. Yeah, so that's how it is. let's see how everything goes. I know.
Clock.
Imebaki tu moja na hiyo moja sioni.
Tafuta mahali popote. Mahali popote ulete hapa. Call for me Carol. Ni alikuwa analia hapa kwangu hapa. Ni tulikuwa na yeye. Yule lady kutoka Hisbani.
Looking for lady from Hisbani.
Wewe uko na gari au uko na
wewe? Uko na mgonjwa kwa gari bwana?
Nani unamsubiri Carol?
Carol Hata tunataka kusalimia shule mzima. So guys, I've been waiting for Felicitas here. This is her school and this is how you see. It's a very nice school actually. Very, very great over here. So we are expecting for her to fly, to pass with flying colors. So let's be pick up, then we'll be seeing how it will be. Alright. Yeah guys, so let me just pick our sister here. Then we wanna see how it is. This lady has just come and thrown some stuffs in here, like she just thrown some stuff like inside here until I'm so surprised, like hey, is she going now? She'll be enjoying a new life after school. Here is where real life is now after school. Real life after school. Now she has finished school and she has come with her all luggages. Now we'll be heading home and we'll be seeing how everything will be. So yeah, hey, the principal, she's very, very, very happy. I come sit here and tell people, come sit here and tell people when you came to school, you never came with a car, you came on a motorbike. You came on a motorbike. Now you're going back in a car. Hey, now you're happy. Yeah?
I'm tired.
What's
I'm happy I finished school.
Don't be happy outside here live.
This is better.
And you have been glowing, your skin looks nice. Hey, look, like a baby boy. What have you been applying in your face? On your face?
I'm nothing without.
Okay, welcome outside now. You know now.
Imagine, guys, let me tell you one thing.
Tell us
I
two
called
things.
my brother. I told him that, bro, I've missed you. Do you know what he replied to me? Hey, just stay there and read.
Yeah, guys.
Come back home.
Yes.
We don't even think I've missed you too. No,
Guys,
you must apologize.
you have no idea.
Must apologize.
You have no idea how I was, like I was stressed. Baby was sick. Everybody was.
Don't tell me that I'm stressed and it could be
You know now.
like that.
You know the only thing you told me is that you have missed me. I told you start just concentrate, and then when you come home, you will be with me. You will be with me every single time that you'll be with me. Now you are with me. Now you will be seeing me every 24 hours. If you want to see me, if you want to come where I am now, you are here. So I wanted you to concentrate so that you can feel the pain of being outside and being inside the school. You know, I'm a clever dad. You know, I'm a clever. She's my first daughter, though. You know. Yeah, she's my firstborn daughter. But yeah, for those who have been following this journey, my daughter is out of school right now.
It has really been a long journey since 2021. I remember I came in this school on date 5 August 2021.
I don't even remember. And
I really
out
remember.
and down here was the place where we were.
This was very bad by the way.
But
at
now,
that time.
it's
But
very
now,
nice.
we thank our principal. She has really done great
I've
things
seen she
in
has
this
done a
school.
very nice job.
Very nice
Yeah,
job.
Sasa? Yeah, she has really done a very nice job.
Yeah, she has really done a very nice job.
Now you are an outsider.
I said that I'm going to wait for the results. Yeah.
How is it?
I've done my exams. I thank God I've finished my exams well.
8 years of joy. You know, now I'm crying. One task out. You know, one task out of paying school fees, and then another task is right here. Baby. Hey. But I'm appreciating things will be going well. So guys,
You know
we'll be
what,
heading
guys?
home. Yeah.
Soon I'm going to open my channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are welcome.
I'm going to open my channel.
Which name will you use?
Soon. I'm going to think for the name.
Okay.
Because I don't think I'm going to use my real name.
One story there. We are
Okay.
hungry.
Okay.
You know, Trubo is hungry.
You're hungry, actually, guys. From since morning.
And also baby is hungry.
From since morning, actually, we haven't taken anything. So let's go by. We can pass somewhere. We can have just quench our.
I wonder.
You wonder what?
Men are saying that they are hungry.
We are hungry.
Men. Hey, I wonder. I really wonder.
You know what we have been undergoing to during the day. You have no idea. All right, guys.
They've been
men are
working all the way.
strong. Men are strong.
Okay, guys. Let's see.
Yeah.
She has no idea, you know.
You
Sometimes I feel
cannot
like,
be strong without eating.
yeah. Okay.
Even this.
Even me, I've not taken anything.
You are at school.
You taken breakfast?
All right,
No,
guys.
I've not taken
Let's
any.
cruise and see.
It's true, I've
Let's
not
cruise.
taken
Let's
any.
cruise. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right.
I have more stories about when we are